I'm pleased to welcome you to our scientific exhibit at the 2020 annual meeting of the American Epilepsy Society. This is one of the biggest meetings of the year for us. We have several posters at the scientific sessions. First of all, we'll be presenting the results of the double-blind placebo-controlled trial in CDKL5 deficiency disorder, or CDD. That study showed a robust treatment effect and good safety results. So the full data set from that study will be presented. We'll also be presenting the results of a study we recently completed on the hospital burden of illness in status epilepticus. This study looked at hospital costs and the intensity of care in status and how those increased with the severity of status epilepticus. There will also be 2 case studies presented, cases of super-refractory status epilepticus. These were cases that were treated with ganaxolone under emergency IND authorizations. We'll also be showing several sub-analyses from the CDD study, analysis of PK/PD, analysis of various subgroups within the study, and preliminary information on durability of effect from the open label extension of the study. We started at 25 people. We're now up to 70 employees, and so the company's grown quite a bit. We also announced the results, as I mentioned, of our CDD study, the double-blind placebo-controlled trial. That was a major clinical milestone for the company. We've constituted a scientific advisory board for both the status program and our oral program. And also, we're initiating the sites for our phase 3 study in refractory status. Again, that's going to be 124 patients at 80 sites across the country, so we're very excited about that. So in terms of our pipeline, the status epilepticus study is starting. We'll have data from that first study in the first half of 2022. Our CDD indication, we're going to have an NDA submission mid-next year, and that will be followed shortly thereafter by a submission for European regulatory approval. Tuberous sclerosis complex, the phase 2 study will read out in mid-2021. As well, at the same time, our study in PCDH19 related epilepsy will also read out. We'd like to thank the patients and the families who participated in the CDD study and in other studies of rare genetic epilepsies. We look forward to additional data readouts in the new year and throughout 2021.